Hi, in this video we will talk about 7-zip tool. It is basically a file archiver tool. In Windows we have some zip files like this one. So in Windows we have by default a tool for unzipping the files. So if I double click on this folder, then it will automatically unzip this file. But Windows compressed folder tools works only on the .zip extension. But we have other types of zip extension as well, like tar, 7-zip, and ggif, something like that. So Windows provide their default compressed folder tools for the .zip extension. So we will talk about 7-zip, which is free and open source. We also have some other renowned tools like WinRAR tool, but that one needs like you have to buy for using that product. So let's see. So 7G for 7Z, whatever you call, this is the official site. As you can see, Wikipedia, it is free and open source. What open source means, we will talk later. Let's see first. Uh, so it has a high compression ratio. So you can get some information here, and they are using GNU LGPL license. So as you can see, they are unpacking these are extension like bzip2, gzip, tar. These are used in Linux commonly, and in zip we also have. So and they can also unarchive these all extensions. So there are some features like it has a powerful file manager, and it also have powerful command line version and a plugin for FAR manager and localized in 87 languages. So you can also, and they also compared with WinRAR tool. It is also quite popular, but it requires like you have to pay. So, and they also have mentioned you can use 7-zip on any computer, including computer in commercial organization. You don't have to register or pay for 7-zip. So it is totally free and it is very lightweight. So we have 64-bit Windows. So I will download this one. So as you can see, it's only 1.5. Let me open it. So just click on install. It will install for you, and that's it. Okay, let's see. Let me create one folder first. So we have our folder. Let's name it demo. So uh, we have. Let's create one file here. Uh, Testing. And let me type something here. We are checking 7G. Let me save it. So if you click on a file, if you click on a select a file and then right click, then you will get an option like 7G. So here we have add to archive. So we can archive a file or a folder. You can archive a whole folder or you can archive basically some files. And you also get some CRC SHA. So when I click on any of this SAW 56, so it is a algorithm. So you will get this SHA 256 some value. So it is useful for integrity. So if I copy this value and I open Notepad, so if this file content of this file alter or change, then this value will get changed. So now we have this value. Let's see. And now if I change the content of this, like changing, then I save it, and now it's some checksum will get changed. Let's check it. Now we have this, let's compare. See, so you also get this awesome feature to get the checksum. Otherwise you will have to do that by command line, or you will have to use online tool. So you can also not only saw 56, you can also, if you click on the asterisk, then you will get CRC32 uh, checksum, and you will get all the hashes, saw 56, saw 1, and this Blake 2SP. So this is also awesome feature. So let me, okay, let's not do on the file level, and we will just archive this folder. I will right click on this and then 7zip, then add to archive. Then there we will have, we can change the name, and by default it is showing GIF. So we can change it to 7z, and we can change the compression level here, and we can also change the compression method. There are some given in dictionary size and word size and solid block size. You can change according to your capacity of CPU, and you can also change the threads as per your CPU. So these are all advanced features. So you can also add password if you want, and you can also encrypt the file name. So we will first go with like GIF, and we are leaving everything as it is, and just click OK, and we get our demo. So this is zip. So I can easily open by double clicking on it using Windows compressed folder tools. So this is the common one. Now let me do the same thing for 7zip format. So here now we will choose 7zip. Now here there are two things. You can add password, or you can, there is one more thing, you can create SFX archive. So what it means, if you do not have 7zip installed, even then you can use that GIF as a self opening. So let's create a simple one first. So you will get 7zip. So I will open it, then it will ask me like you have to choose of so we already have installed 7zip. So I will open with 7zip, open archive, and we can easily access the content. So any zip file we can, with 7zip or zip, we can open with 7zip. See, so the other option we were talking about is, so we are choosing 7zip. It is only applicable in 7zip. So, so if you click on create SFX archive, then will pre uh, it will rename this as exe. So it will be a application basically. So if I click OK, if we do not have 7zip in our file, then still it will open. We will check this later. Let's go back to that part, like what what does that open source mean? So open source means the app is the source code of this application is available on the internet, so anyone can use, copy, or make the modification in that source code. So let's see, if we go to their download page, then we can see source code. So for Windows 7zip file I'm downloading. Now I will open this. Okay, let's see in the folder. So when we will open this with 7zip, then you can see there are C files, C programming files. There are lots of files there. So these are basically the source code files. The CPP, we have C++ files, 7zip, and then we have archive bundles. Then all the you can say these are all are the packages files used for that software, this 7zip. So source code is available. Anyone can do the modification in this and can use this. So this is all about 7GIF. So let me uninstall this quickly, and so that we can demonstrate this one. So even if somebody don't have like 7GIF installed on their system, still they by using this one like by using this feature they can send their files. Let me uninstall this. Now 7GIF has been uninstalled. Now, if I click this, now we are not getting any options. But when I click on this, then it will ask if you are setting a password. Then it will ask for password first. Now they are asking to extract where we want to. Where we want to extract. I will just click on. You can set the location. Then they are asking there are multiple files available, which one you are getting, because we have multiple files there. So I will delete this one. Now we try it again. Now we got. So this is how that feature works. So now we got our file. So this is all in this video. So this is awesome application, and it is totally free and open source. So instead of using the WinRAR or any other which pop-ups you like you have to pay and you have to buy their paid version, so you can use this one. This is very lightweight, and this is open source, and that is very awesome feature. So this is all in this video, and hope you like.